Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the section Accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, right here we've got our previously added Google account. So maybe let's start with removing it. Let's tap on it and simply tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will be immediately removed. Let me right now add it, so show you how to do it. Let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because whenever you will tap on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it in order to read everything and tap on I agree. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.